I'm going to say The Witch and the Wizard of Oz, where you know that she gets a bit of water on it and it goes like... Well, did you see that? Oh,
no,
Georgie,
no,
you were
Chelsea.
so close to being ejected from the building. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. We are going to do 5 minutes with...
Georgie
From?
Cleeve, OSKIA.
G-Dog, as I
G-Dog.
refer to you. From OSKIA, one of my favourite brands, one of your favourite brands. Every time there's a whiff of a hint of OSKIA when we do the teasers for the kits, they lose their minds. They're like, oh my God, it's OSKIA, what's it going to be? So, but this is different because this is something they may not have seen before.
They will not have seen it before.
Because it's a world exclusive. We are launching a world exclusive in a kit, and it is...
The Super R Retinoid Sleep Serum Capsule.
They look like this.
Little heart.
It's essentially the same packaging as your vitamin C, right?
It's the same packaging as in
Biodegradable.
biodegradable, made of carrageen, so you can pop it in your compost, you can flush it down the loo,
Lovely bit
put
of
it in
blue.
your bin, throw it out the window.
She got that from me because I told her that's
She
what I
just
do
said
with
that.
mine. I throw them out the window. I do it at the bathroom and then I chuck it out the window. I mean, it goes somewhere green, it'd be fine.
It's fine, absolutely fine. Perfect.
What is it?
So, in a nutshell, it's a retinoid sleep serum. So, 0.5% HPR.
Hydroxypenocolone retinoate.
Absolutely, thank you
nice.
very much.
Very high up the royal family chain. They will know what I mean.
Very high up.
What does that do to your skin?
So, lots and lots of different things. We love retinoid. Lots and lots of different derivatives of vitamin A. Does a huge amount of things to the skin. Main thing is it regenerates. It basically boosts cellular regeneration. So great. Actually, it was first used in the 1970s to help skin cancer. So it's really medical. Masses and masses and masses of research on it. So it regenerates the skin. It boosts collagen 1 and 3. It helps reduce sebum production. So for someone who's got acne or acne-prone skin, or very prone to breakouts, it's fantastic at helping control that. If you've got pigmentation, it'll brighten your skin. It'll thicken your epidermis, so it'll make your skin thicker, plumper.
Which is what you need when you're a certain age.
Exactly.
And how do you use it? Because it's called sleep serum, so I'm guessing you're not going to put it on in the morning.
No, so sleep serum, I would definitely use this at night. Number of reasons. All regenerative products really should be at night, your skin regenerates at night. Also, retinoid is UV intolerant, so retinol much, much, much better to use at night.
And I think it's important to flag to people that doesn't mean your face is going to burn if you use it during the day. It just means it's not going to be as effective.
Exactly.
It's a bit like... you can I'm going to say The Witch and the Wizard of Oz, where you know that she gets a bit of water on it and it goes like... We don't want to scare people to death. What are the other ingredients, though? Because OSKIA, as my regulars will know, but if you don't know and you're not aware, OSKIA, you're not a one-man band, so you would never bring out a key ingredient, just one thing. So your products are generally like, I would use Liverpool, I don't know what football team you support, but it would be the whole team. Did you just say Manchester? Did you just say Manchester?
Only because I knew, only. My son's on my...
Oh,
no,
Georgie, you were
Chelsea.
so close to being ejected from the building. Oh my God, I actually broke out into a sweat. No. I was going to say, well, back in the day, if you were another brand, you might be Manchester, but just Roy Keane, right? But if you were a football team, you would be Liverpool because it's all about the team. There's loads of other ingredients. The support, the main one. So what are the other ingredients?
Exactly. So we've got this super nutrient retinoid complex, which is obviously our retinoid, 0.5%. We've got provitamin D3, which I call the healing vitamin. Absolutely love it. Great anti-inflammatory. Brilliant for skin that's damaged,
sensitised,
sensitised, barriers, compromised, etc. So we've got provitamin D3, we've got vitamin C, and we've got tetraisopalmitate, which I love.
Oil-soluble.
Oil-soluble vitamin C. It's non-acidic. It absorbs really quickly into the skin. It's one of the only vitamin C's that's also proven to reduce melanin production. So it's not just an antioxidant. It's not just going to boost collagen.
Everybody calm down.
So we've got my favourite vitamin C and also vitamin E. So that's our super nutrient complex. Then we have turmeric, and that's for antioxidant brightening. We've got a wonderful winged kelp active that basically...
sounds like a character in a film, winged kelp.
It's like it sounds like a superhero.
Yeah. Winged kelp.
Winged kelp. And that boosts HA production. It also helps with your barrier function as well. We also have coenzyme Q10. Brilliant, very popular antioxidant in the 1980s, and I think it lost a little bit of favour because it wasn't that fashionable. One of my most favourite antioxidants. It's brilliantly effective, and we encapsulated that with Rosamox, which is a rosemary extract which helps firm the skin. So you've got...
But in essence, what it's going to do is help boost your collagen, give you back your juicy plump face,
Exactly. We want you to
repair some of the damage that you've done over the years.
Yeah, and calm the skin as well. So lots of anti-inflammatories in there as well.
You're big
so
on the
it's just
anti-inflammatories.
really, I love anti-inflammatories.
You do love an anti-inflammatory.
So it's really, just a really lovely, and it's super, super thin. So it's an oil serum. And the reason I want it to be really fine, so you could slip it into your skincare routine. You could use this twice a week if you wanted to, or every night. But you would apply it at night, and you'd apply it. You know, you can follow it with a moisturiser after or an oil after. But I just wanted a product that I could slip into my routine.
Outtakes! Well, did you see that?
And you open it like this.
It jettisoned across the room. Look. That's fine. We're totally gonna use this clip. I love that. Oh my God! Why don't you demo how to open it properly? Because I've just literally just decorated my whole room with it. That was just like did that actually just happen? It's not heavy or greasy at all. It's borderline watery. I mean, it's really light.
So it's basically based on hemisqualene. Squalene is a really beautiful plant oil. Hemisqualene is the sort of halved version of it, so it's incredibly fine. It's almost slightly like a dried
skim milk.
It's like skimmed milk.
Georgie, you know I'm here for the analogies. Always.
That's brilliant.
Always here with a food analogy.
So it's like skimmed milk, but not milk.
And suitable for all skins?
Absolutely suitable for all skins, but I would actually, I'm very much in the camp that it's sort of late 20s onwards. Young skin.
Yeah, not all ages, just all skins.
Just all skin types,
not all ages.
Tones, but certainly not young skins.
I used to say if you can take a bra off and your boobs stay up, you're not quite at the retinol age. But you know, you might just be a larger bosomed woman. You know, that's totally your call. And you're giving this to us exclusively for our kit.
Absolutely.
World exclusive. Thanks very much.
Absolutely. Pleasure. Very excited.
Very excited. Thrilled. When the girls came in, they were like, so Georgie's releasing a retinoid, and she said we can have it for the kit. And I was like, oh, great. And they were like, exclusive. And I was like, pardon? Thank you very much. Okay, that's a definite yes. Always a pleasure, my friend. Thank you very much, Georgie. We will see you again very soon, I'm sure.
I'm sure. Thank you, Caroline.